Good evening, my name is Larry Taylor. I'm a software developer and a manager, and tonight I'm going to talk about how to apply the principles of ITIL to municipal government. So usually new ideas, or one way new ideas are created is by combining two or more subjects. I've been interested in how to make democracy work and government function. And then the second thing I've been studying is a subject area called ITIL, which is a taxonomy of the 26 processes that IT departments use to deliver services to their business. I was taking a class in ITIL, and during the class, the instructor said that she owned a restaurant and she applied the principles of ITIL to her business. And I thought that was very intriguing, that you could take something that was specific and apply it more generally. So I live in a small town, and if you think about what a municipality is, it's really a collection of services that are provided to the citizens who live there. It's a pretty common structure for a municipality. We have an elected city council. They manage a city manager who manages the various departments. They have a budget of about $7.8 million, and there's an equivalent structure of citizens who perform the functions of the city. In the town where everyone seems to know everything about everyone, and they put it on in a parade and run it up and down the street, it's amazing that the city is so oblivious to the problems that occur there. The library is especially notorious for being impervious to any suggestion to make improvements to how it could function. But what's especially notorious is the building department, which has been compared to the Kremlin because of its extreme bureaucracy and the arbitrariness by which it applies its rules to the citizens. So historically, we've had two ways to deal with problems. One way is to go out and find out what watering hole the mayor is at in the afternoon and sit down with his drinking buddies, review your problem, and get it solved. The other way is to schedule a slot in the city council meeting, prepare a slide deck, and present a 20-minute presentation to about 100 people. This is not usually within everyone's comfort zone. So what ITIL provides for you is a way to lodge incidents in a way that your problems are routed to the correct department. The problems are dispositioned, and acknowledgement is given back to the customer on acknowledging that they had submitted it. And this is what provides customer satisfaction. This is one of the process areas in service operations in the 5 groups of ITIL processes, the others being strategy, design, transition, and continuous improvement. The incidents are grouped into problems, and the problems then are analyzed for root cause, and then changes are configured to address the root cause and then to deploy it. And so that's the process for applying improvements into your city. Byproduct of this is a very rich set of data which the city manager and the city council could use to manage your city. And this is information which they do not have at this point in time. What's really cool about this point in time is that with mobile devices, you can lodge your complaints anytime or anywhere, and if it's applicable, you could attach a photograph to it and send it in. If you make your data design flexible enough, you could take an application that you designed for one city and with different configurations, make it applicable to other municipalities. Oregon is a sparsely populated state, and we have 242 cities, so you can see the market is actually quite big. And then if you expand this to the United States, the opportunities for this is in the tens of thousands. So historically, one of the limitations to deploying applications has been hardware, but that has been addressed by the advent of the cloud. So if you put your application into the cloud, really what prevents you from deploying your application is really the speed by which you configure it and send it out there. So that's my big idea for managing municipal governance through ITIL. Thank you very much.